The Ford Everest Wildtrak is one of the most capable and premium SUVs available in Australia today. Designed to handle everything from daily commuting to rugged outback adventures, it combines bold styling, advanced technology, impressive towing capability, and genuine off-road performance in one complete package. Today, we are taking a detailed look at why the Ford Everest Wildtrak has become one of Australia's favourite adventure SUVs. From the very first glance, the Everest Wildtrak makes a powerful impression. Its muscular body, bold front grille with distinctive Wildtrak bronze accents, C-shaped LED matrix headlights, wide stance, and rugged styling immediately communicate confidence. Finished in metallic dark brown, the SUV looks both sophisticated and adventure-ready, standing out whether it's parked in the city or exploring Australia's vast landscapes. Step inside, and you'll discover an interior that blends premium comfort with practical functionality. The cabin features high-quality leather-accented seats with signature Wildtrak orange stitching, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, soft-touch dashboard materials, bronze interior accents, and spacious seating for up to 7 passengers. The large portrait-style touchscreen infotainment system is easy to use and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing drivers to access navigation, music, calls, and messages without cables. A fully digital instrument cluster displays essential driving information clearly, while wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a premium sound system ensure every journey is comfortable and connected. Under the bonnet, the Ford Everest Wildtrak is powered by a 3.0-litre turbo diesel V6 engine, delivering outstanding torque for towing, highway cruising, and off-road driving. Paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, the engine provides effortless acceleration while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency for a large SUV. One of the Everest Wildtrak's greatest strengths is its exceptional towing capability. With the ability to tow up to 3,500 kilograms when properly equipped, it's an excellent choice for Australians who own caravans, boats, horse floats, or large trailers. Long-distance road trips become easier thanks to the engine's strong pulling power and refined highway performance. Australia offers some of the world's most challenging driving conditions, from busy city streets to remote dirt tracks and rugged mountain trails. Fortunately, the Everest Wildtrak is engineered to handle them all. Its intelligent four-wheel drive system, selectable drive modes, rear differential lock, hill descent control, and advanced terrain management system allow it to confidently tackle sand, mud, rocks, gravel, and steep inclines. The suspension has been carefully tuned to balance comfort with durability. Whether driving along the Great Ocean Road, crossing rough outback tracks, or traveling hundreds of kilometers on the highway, passengers enjoy a smooth and stable ride. Safety is another area where the Everest Wildtrak excels. Ford has equipped the SUV with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping system, blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage, autonomous emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, driver alert system, a 360-degree camera, front and rear parking sensors, and multiple airbags. These features help make every journey safer for both the driver and passengers. Practicality is equally impressive. The spacious cargo area provides plenty of room for camping equipment, luggage, fishing gear, sporting equipment, or everyday shopping. Folding the rear seats creates even more storage space, making the Everest Wildtrak perfect for family holidays and outdoor adventures. Another feature Australians appreciate is its refined driving experience. Despite its rugged capability, road noise is well controlled, steering feels precise, and the cabin remains comfortable even during long-distance travel. It's a true all-rounder that feels equally at home in the city, on the motorway, or deep in the Australian bush. For families seeking a premium SUV, travelers planning cross-country adventures, or anyone who needs a vehicle capable of towing heavy loads while providing luxury-level comfort, the Ford Everest Wildtrak is an outstanding choice. So, would you choose the Ford Everest Wildtrak over the Toyota LandCruiser Prado, Isuzu MU-X, Toyota Fortuner, or Nissan Patrol? Let us know your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Australian SUV reviews, 4WD adventures, off-road vehicles, and the latest automotive content every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.